What if every Facebook comment got an instant reply and your customer automatically receive a message in their inbox? No manual reply, 100% automated with N8N. Hi, I am Khan Maruf. I built smart automation workflows using N8N and APIs. Here's how I automated Facebook comment and inbox messages step by step. This this workflow listen to every new comment through a Facebook webhook. It's it extracts the text comment text, check for keywords like price or order, and automatically post a reply. Plus, send a personalized inbox message using the Facebook Graph API. Webhook. This is webhook trigger key detection if node and send replay comment and send inbox messages. Here's the result. Uh, Close. Here's the result uh, in box. Send, execute. This workflow is running. This is executed. So let me show. Here is the message. Sorry, N8N inbox. This is 1 minute. দাম ধন্যবাদ দাম জানতে আপনার ইনবক্স চেক করুন। So here's the result. It's instant replay, instant comment replay and smart inbox message. No delay, no manual work. So this is here's the result. Uh, and 1 minute. Sorry. This is this message 1 minute just so and execute success workflow success. I built entirely in auto in N8N. This workflow save hours of manual work and improve response rate instantly. I help business automate communication and scale smart. Let's connect.